Question number 5. Solve the equation. Given equation is 4 sin theta tangent theta is equals to the 1 plus 5 cos theta, where angle condition says that angle should be greater than negative 180 and less than 180 degrees. So the given equation is 4 sin theta tangent theta is equals to 1 plus 5 cos theta. And we know that tangent theta is sine theta over cos theta. So when we plug this value in this equation, so it will become 4 sine theta times sine theta over cos theta is equals to the 1 plus 5 cos theta. So when we solve it further, it will be 4 sine square theta is equal to cos. We switch cos on the right side, it will be cos theta plus 5 cos square theta. And sine square theta is equal to the sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So when we plug 1 minus cos square theta here, it will be 491 minus cos square theta is equal to the cos theta plus 5 cos square theta. Further solving, 4 minus 4 cos square theta is equal to cos theta plus 5 cos theta, cos square. So when we switch left side terms on the right side, it will be 5 cos square theta plus 4 cos square theta plus cos theta minus 4 equal to 0. And this will be equal to 9 cos square theta plus cos theta minus 4 equal to 0. And this is the quadratic equation in which A is equals to 9, B equals to 1 and C equals to negative 4. So cos theta is equals to the negative B plus minus under root B square minus 4AC over 2A, and this will be equals to negative B, which is negative 1, plus minus under root B square means 1 square minus 4 times A, which is 9, and times C, which is negative 4. Okay. And 2 divided by 2 times A, which is 9, 2 times 9. So we solve it. Negative 9, 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 times negative 4 times negative 4, which is 16, times 9, which is 144. So 1 plus 144 over 18, and this one is equal to the negative 1 plus minus under root 145 over 18. When we solve it further, it will be cos theta is equal to negative 1 plus under root 145 over 18, and second one is cos theta is equals to negative 1 minus under root 145 over 18. Okay, under root 145 is 12.04, so we can write it cos theta is equal to negative 1 minus 12 or plus 12.04 over 18. On the other side, cos theta is equals to the negative 1 minus 12.04 over 18. And in this case, theta will be cos inverse of 11.04 over 18. Theta is equals to the cos inverse of 13.04 negative over 18. When we solve it further, it will be theta is equal to cos inverse of 0.6133. On the other side, theta will be equal to the cos inverse of 0.7244 negative. Okay. Now, the angle condition given says that the angle should lie between negative 180 to positive 180. So we know that 0 to 180 and 0 to this one is also negative 180. So we have all 4 coordinates. And we know that the cos theta is positive in first and fourth quadrant and negative in third and second quadrant. Okay, so we need to find all the values of angles which have positive value 0.6133. So when we find using calculator, we will find theta is equal to 52.196. Okay, so this angle will lie here, which is 52.196 169. And same value 0.613 can be achieved in here. So cos theta follow the symmetry. So negative 52.169 will also have this value, which is 0.613. So we will consider both angle. Similarly, when we find the cos inverse of negative 0.7244, so we will have theta is equal to 136.42, and this angle will lie there, which is 136.42. And you know that this angle lie in second quadrant, and which will give negative value for cos 136.42, and the value will be negative 0.7244. And same negative value can be achieved in third quadrant too. So cos theta follow the symmetry, so we can also say that theta is equal to negative 136.42. Okay, so we have four angles which satisfy two values. So we will have four angles. Theta is equal to plus minus 52.196 and theta is equal to plus minus 136.42.